1. The Cane Corso. The Cane Corso makes a great watchdog and working dog. They are excellent canines with an Italian heritage. They are dependable, steady, and even-tempered, yet they also have strong instincts for protection and are wary of outsiders. They are also very expensive, and a good Cane Corso could cost you $10,000. In a one-to-one confrontation with a coyote, the dog would come out victorious every single time. Their bite force is 650 psi. For reference, humans' bite force is 126 psi. 2. The Kangal. The Kangal is a huge, powerful dog from Turkey. They have served as great livestock protectors for so long that they are still employed for this purpose today. Although Kangals are legal in the US, they are so essential to the Turkish people that it is against the law to export them outside of Turkey. As a result, it is unlikely that you will be able to find one readily. In general, Kangals are peaceful and even-tempered dogs, yet they have strong defensive instincts that enable them to fight off wolves and other canines. Their bite force is 730 psi. 3. The Komondor. The Komondor can fight wolves, despite having an endearing appearance and a cheery personality. The Komondor, affectionately known as the mop dog, is actually a powerful and vigilant sheepdog that has been employed to protect cattle for centuries. Although they still possess the protective instincts that make them a threat to predators like wolves and coyotes, their loyalty, love, and even temperament make them wonderful family dogs. They don't shed, which is a surprise characteristic that makes them a great option for allergy sufferers. Bite force 200 to 400 psi. 4. The Gamper Armenian Wolfhound. Both feared and loved, this Armenian dog. They are great livestock guardians because of their powerful intuition, dependability, and amiability towards people. They are also fairly strong dogs, with muscular frames and powerful jaws that enable them to fight off predators. They are hardy canines accustomed to surviving in challenging circumstances. Bite force 450 to 600 psi. 5. The Anatolian Shepherd. Another livestock guardian dog that originated in Turkey and is now widespread in the US is the Anatolian Shepherd. They are strong enough to easily take on predators like wolves and coyotes since they are educated, stable, and proud dogs. Due to their independence and intelligence, training them can be challenging, especially given their size. Bite force 730 psi. 6. The Presa Canario. Large dogs like the Perro de Presa Canario, commonly known as the Canary Mastiff, are excellent livestock protectors. Despite not being as big as some of the other canines on our list, they have powerful physiques that provide them the physical strength to fight against predators. Even more significant is the fact that they pose a serious threat to wolves and other predators due to their strong dominance, territoriality, and alertness. I believe Presa Canario would have a decent opportunity to defeat a wolf in a one-on-one battle. If you're thinking about getting one of these puppies, you should be aware that they can be difficult to train and that they have a reputation for being rather stubborn. Fortunately, they have a generally kind and tranquil disposition and are fairly nice to people. Bite force 540 psi. 7. The Boerboel. The south of Africa gave rise to the huge mastiff dog known as the Boerboel. They stand out for their distinctive black mask, short coat, and sturdy skeleton. The Boerboel is a powerful, dominating, and territorial dog, making them challenging to teach but great guard dogs. They pose a real threat to predators like wolves because they are also quite courageous and self-assured. Bite force of 450 psi. 8. Tibetan Mastiff. The Tibetan Mastiff is a large, powerful dog with a very distinctive appearance because to the coats they have evolved to suit the lifestyle they are accustomed to. Despite their tendency to be extremely sensitive and even aloof canines if trained and socialized, these dogs can be quite stubborn. They have incredibly strong wills and protective instincts, in addition to being fairly strong dogs. Because of their strong territoriality, dominance, and dislike of outsiders of any kind, they are particularly dangerous to wolves and other predators. Bite force of 500 to 600 psi. 9. The Dogo Argentino. The Dogo Argentino is not as large as some of the other dogs on this list, but due to their muscular build, which makes them quite robust, their strong protective instincts, and their fighting prowess, they unquestionably earn a spot on this list. Since they were originally bred to fight, they can be exceedingly difficult for predators like wolves and coyotes. They are also very devoted and protective canines who would charge at predators without hesitation. Bite force of 500 psi. 10. The Caucasian Shepherd. One of the most powerful and vicious canines in existence today is the Caucasian Shepherd, also referred to as the Caucasian Ovcharka, a huge dog breed from the Caucasus region. They are strong, alert canines that have a reputation for being able to kill wolves and other predators to defend sheep. Additionally, they have a strong sense of independence and boldness, which makes them incredibly deadly to wolves and other predators. Bite force of 550 to 700 psi. Thanks for watching. Now please subscribe to help our channel grow.